We are going to operate across 3 different softwares: Civil 3D, AutoCAD, Revit, InfraWorks, and Autodesk Docs as the connecting tissue that connects these 3 different pieces of software. All right, this is the work of a civil engineer providing topography to a landscape architect. Civil 3D has the ability to georeference a project using a coordinate system. Within Civil 3D, you can export the file in a specific file version. And starting in this version of Civil 3D, you can connect directly the file to the cloud. On the screen, the file generated by the Civil is saved directly into the cloud repository of BIM Collaborate Pro without the need of sending, packing, or using another mechanism of file exchange.